You're going to love the 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 30,000-mile mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.